Pure native WPI is the best protein you can get. It's the highest quality you can get. It stands for whey protein isolate. The great thing about Healthy Chef Pure Native WPI is that it's cold filtered, it's grass fed, it's biodynamic, it's gluten free, it's sugar free. It's perfect for everyone, so you don't even bloat, and it's goodness that you can drink that's instantly absorbed into your body. I love this stuff. WPI supports a lot of things. It supports weight management, it supports sports nutrition, it supports immune health, and just total health and well-being, and makes you feel fantastic. A lot of people ask us how to use Healthy Chef Protein or Healthy Chef WPI. I'm going to show you 3 easy ways. You can shake it, blend it, or mix it, and I'm going to show you how to shake it. It's pretty much 1 serve of Healthy Chef Protein. That's 2 tablespoons. You're getting 25 grams of pure unadulterated goodness in here with just some water or coconut water if you want, or even almond milk, but I just like using water. Shake and go. Look at that. Pure, I call this my goodness shake. It's delicious. Another one of my favourite ways is to make a meal replacement smoothie or a lovely protein-rich smoothie. I often have this for either breakfast or lunch. Hubby and I both have it together. So my favourite combo at the moment is strawberries. I also love to use just a little spoonful of avocado. So that's going to give you some creaminess and some good fats. Putting in a few extra dates in here. You can use stevia, or you don't even need to use anything at all. I've got almond milk here, so just about a cup, nothing too crazy. 2 generous spoonfuls of Healthy Chef WPI. I'm using vanilla here, but you can also use natural chocolate as well, flavours. Just a little bit of ice to keep it cool and make it all nice and creamy at the end. So put on the lid and blend. Okay, here you go, look at this. My gorgeous strawberry goodness shake. A meal in itself, high in fibre and really, really full of antioxidants and goodness. The third way I like to use WPI is I like to mix it into yogurt for a beautiful breakfast bowl. So this is delicious. It's like a little bircher muesli in the morning, and so this is Greek style yogurt I've got here, but you can use a coconut yogurt. And I also love to use a nice generous scoop of my organic superfood. And so I've got protein, fruits and veg, and lots of goodness in here. So you just mix it through. So I'm just going to pour some of this into a bowl. With some extra fresh berries. And you can put some nuts on here as well. But it's lovely, beautiful, simple, healthy and delicious.